pretending. I've been had it, I've been done it. I promise that it's all empty. They say they riding Bugattis. They put some babies through college. Quit trying to act like the trap is cool, cause we tired of hearing that garbage. Hey, bags white, pints of lean. I've been on dope boy since a teen, but this ain't what we meant to be. Y'all don't make no sense to me. You pump faking, ain't shooting, ain't killing, ain't doing. Had them things you say you doing, but 116 we stay true and they dope dealing, they poke pimping. Talk about my own folk killing. We on that Jesus soul giving, so serious. Go rippers, Kyle David, Kyle David, Kyle David, Kyle David, Kyle David, Kyle David. Be that truth, you can't blame us.
Yeah. The key to life, money, power, respect. Louis this, Gucci that, 2 private jets. Big money, big business, watch the paper stack. Treat life like a game, it ain't pool, but I'm rack. Big bucks, no whammies. I swear I probably lump somebody head for a Grammy. My heart black as the Lambo, Kimbo for Kanye. And I ain't frontin', I'm just telling y'all what God say. Thirsty. Seek my own will since the day that Adam cursed me. The lust for power go to your brain if you let it. You say what up, dog? I hear God, I'm so dyslexic. Sit on the throne, it's really a toilet, heart is septic. I had no power, I get headed death, I must accept it. It's hard to see the light when you never listen. Our whole life's blacked out, the power's tripping.